And today was the cross-examination of the complainant. My court reporters were in the room, and so I've got a lot of court notes to basically go through. Please do listen attentively. Young Philly, guys, I want to remind you all, has denied all charges and is presumed innocent. Today, the complainant was cross-examined by Young Philly's lawyer, David Edwardson. The complainant, guys, admitted that she worked as a club promoter for Bar 1. She admitted, guys, to wanting to meet him in person and tried entering the VIP area, and she did before 2:30 a.m. The defense lawyer brought up how she claimed he put his hands down her pants and how she claimed that she said no when he touched her breast. And he says, that's not what happened at all, is it? She responds, yes, it is, and was emotional and crying. A video played to the jury of the woman inside the VIP area saying, he touched me, not in a bad way, in a good way. I love Philly. And another video was shown to court where she said, I'm going to marry him. She responds to these videos by saying, at the time, Young Philly was my idol and I was naive. Her diary entry was also brought up where she referred to herself as Victoria Beckham and him as David Beckham. So he's your favorite celebrity, says the defense lawyer. She says, yes. He replied, you saw yourself as Victoria Beckham? She says, yes. The jury then saw another video, CCTV footage, guys, of the woman leaving Bar 1 and putting a thumbs up or down, communicating with Young Philly, who was in the car. I was intimidated. I was with 7 guys. I didn't want to be rude and interrupt, says the complainant. And went on to say that she thought they were going to an after party, but also agreed that she should herself clarified. You went to the car and did a thumbs up and down. She responds, I don't remember. The lawyer says, you knew there was no after party. The defense lawyer suggested that she was lying, the courtroom heard, how consensual sex turned aggressive. A pack of lies and it did not happen. You would have been distressed, says the defense lawyer. She says, I was. In an emotional way, she responded. I put on a persona to be calm so I wouldn't be raped again. The defense lawyer continues, so after being slapped, breathing impeded, bitten, anally penetrated, you asked Young Philly for chips to go? She responds, yes. He responds, the defense lawyer, you seriously asked for chips? She responds, yes, I stupidly asked. Another video was shown to the jury of the woman smiling in the hotel room before she leaves. I wanted to be seen as calm. I had a high-pitched voice to not make things worse. The defense lawyer states that a conversation between Young Philly and the security guard did not happen. She responds by saying, I disagree. The defense lawyer, says it's another lie. She responds by saying, I have not lied. She also says, I moved away from him, put my fist up and my hands up to get him off me. I realized each time I said something, he hurt me more. It is also described that she was 20 years old, so I believe around 19, 20, around this time. Just a reminder that Young Philly has pleaded not guilty to 6 counts of sexually penetrating the woman, 1 count of impeding woman's breathing by applying pressure to the neck, and 3 counts of assault occasioning bodily harm. So this is what took place in court today. The alleged victim, the complainant, was cross-examined by Young Philly's defense lawyer with CCTV footage and videos being presented for the court and the jury to hear and see.